If your project is not opening in Descript, yeah, that can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to get your project working again. First, check your internet connection, because Descript projects are cloud-based and need a stable connection. Next, refresh or restart Descript. Yeah, this can fix temporary loading issues. Make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions can cause projects to fail to open. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Now check your account, make sure you still have access to that project and it hasn't been deleted or restricted. If it still won't open, log out and back in or reinstall the app. Yeah, this can fix deeper issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most project opening issues in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.